Hey guys, today I want to do an unboxing on this awesome shower set I just got and I'm so excited. This is going to be the box that it comes in. Opening it up, you're going to notice I always love a nice user manual right at the very front. You're going to have pictures and I really like that there's going to be step-by-step instructions. This is going to be the beautiful 12-inch Rainfall shower head. It's going to be matte black, which I absolutely love. I think it's gorgeous in a bathroom. And then you're gonna have this spot right here to be able to move it around. So it's not gonna be in one spot. Moving on, there's going to be all of the things that you need to install this shower. You're gonna get the shower hose. This is where you're going to install into your shower. There's going to be the top shower and then the handheld shower. So everything's gonna be nicely labeled. A handheld shower. So this is gonna be really, really nice to be able to use to wash your pets. If you want to wash the tub, if you just want to wash your hair holding it, that's going to be really nice as well. You're going to get some plumber's tape just to make sure everything's going to be nicely sealed. You have all of these accessories. Everything's going to be nicely ready to just pull out. And then this is also going to be another shower head. So there's going to be that 3-in-1, which I love. You have the Rainfall, you have your regular one, and you have your handheld one. And lastly, you have this display to stick in your shower. This is going to show you the hot and cold, and then the buttons for the different shower heads go right here. All right, guys, as you see, this is a complete set, and I'm so excited. There are many different functions that I love about this. Starting off with, there's going to be that high water pressure, which is exactly what you want. Right here where I showed you the display, there's going to be the 3 buttons. If you want, you can use each shower head independently, or you can use them all 3 at the same time if you wanted. You just press the button for which one that you want to turn on, and I absolutely love that. It's going to be so easy to use. Again, you have that nice handheld one, and then water can also come out here with that nice high pressure. So cleaning your pets, your tub, your shower walls, the floors, anything like that's going to be really nice because you have this really long hose to be going with it. It's really easy to install. As you see, everything's going to be here, and I'm so excited. This is going to be fun to have in my shower. I hope you guys learned something today. Go get your own set and be just as happy. Thanks for watching.